we'll guide you through how to create animation in DaVinci Resolve. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open DaVinci Resolve on your desktop and navigate to the Edit page by clicking on the Edit tab at the bottom. Next, import your media by going to the Media pool and dragging your video or image files into the timeline. To start creating an animation, select the clip you want to animate and then move over to the Inspector panel on the right side. Here, you'll have the option to animate various properties like position, zoom, rotation angle, and more. To animate, click on the small diamond icon next to the property you want to change. This creates a keyframe. Move the playhead to another point in the timeline where you want the animation to end or change, and adjust the property. DaVinci Resolve will automatically create a smooth transition between these keyframes. For more complex animations, you can switch over to the Fusion tab. This is where you can use nodes to create advanced animations. Start by clicking on the Effects library and selecting Fusion Composition to drag it onto the timeline. Double-click this Fusion composition to enter the Fusion page. Here, you can add nodes like text, transform, and merge to build your animation. Connect these nodes by dragging lines between them, and adjust each node's settings to fine-tune your animation. You can preview your animation by playing it in the viewer. Once you're satisfied with the animation, go back to the Edit page to make any final adjustments. Finally, to export your animated video, switch to the Deliver page, select your render settings, and click Add to Render Queue. Then start render to finalize your project. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.